Hey AutoCAD, I'm trying to make plastic laminate countertop in detail. This video might be a little bit longer, which I avoid making it, but I will try to do it as quick as possible. So let's dig into it. So it's going to be 0, comma 0, enter 25 inches deep, comma negative 0.75 inches height. We'll make another one over here, our front rail and our back rail. So it's going to be from here 4 inches, comma negative 0.75 inches. We'll mirror it, bring it in the front. Center is on. Okay, let's go in the front. We'll start from here. We'll say negative 0.310313. That's the 3/32 thickness of our plastic laminate, comma negative 1.5 inches. So that's the thickness of our plastic laminate. Okay. And the same thing we are going to give 24, comma negative 0.0313. Sorry, it should be 25 minus. Same thing over here. 4, comma 0.0313. And same thing over here. Forgot to give the backsplash. So 0.75, comma 4 inches height. Same thing over here. We'll give the plastic laminate. So it's 0.75, comma negative 0.0313. Another one over here. Negative 0.0313, comma negative 4 inches in height. Let's reduce it to make it clean. Again, we'll bring it back. This is actually the plywood thickness. Okay, we forgot to give the backer, so let's give the backer board also. So 25, comma negative 0.3, negative 0.0313. That's backer. Usually it's for the stiffness. We'll mirror or we'll copy it up. Point 0.0313, comma negative 0.75. Oops. And because I had to reduce the, we'll copy this. bring it here, move it in. And our ladder frame beyond. So let's assign them to the layers. Minus this one, countertop, beyond, right line, subtop. I'll put it in minimal layer, so it'll have its own thickness. Okay, and this is detailed countertop is ready. Let's make it a block out of it. Create a block. Let's say detailed section, and let's make this block as a dynamic block now. Same thing as you learned earlier. It's nothing new. From front to back. Stretch. Or backsplash all the way to the plastic laminate. That is our back rail. This is our front rail. In this tutorial, we'll not give you the height for the countertop because it's not going to go anywhere. Select action, new selection set, select everything, and then select all the objects within that mark. Same thing, we'll do it for the front rail, and we'll select everything in that mark. And right click, new selection, select all the objects here, and now we'll give it to BSP. Sorry, I forgot to name all the actions, all the parameters. I'm sorry. Let's go put depth. Front rail, BR, back rail, BSPH, BSPH, and you are all set to go. Okay, there is little goof up over here. Let's fix that one. Push it back, push it back. Let's check the back side. Shouldn't be a problem here. And voila, you are done. Plastic laminate countertop detailed section with backers and your on your frame beyond. And I hope you like it. If you like it, let me know how do you find it. If I'm a little bit faster, please let me know so that I can little bit slow it down so that you can understand better, but the videos are going to be longer in that case. Thank you for watching.